that time again. TMO Off the Grid.
Yeah, baby!
Okay, so I found this neat box just for sale. It was like 10 bucks. And I thought, well, you know, I don't really need a cabinet. Until I got to take a look a little closer, I thought it had a kind of an interesting, durable looking hinge. And then I opened it up. And look at that. It is an ice chest. So it's an ice chest, wood wrapped. It's not like, it's old, but it's not like ancient old. So I'm gonna doll this up. It's gonna be perfect in my cabin. It's definitely seen some better days. Looks like it's been exposed outside the water or something, but hey, for $9.95, I think I'm up for the task. So after I've done plenty of sanding, what I noticed is here has some ridges. You can see this whole thing is pretty rough. This is a veneer and it's pretty rough. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut a piece of wood, put it right on there. And then I take this little piece and fits it right up in that notch. And then I take my pencil, I'm gonna mark here and here on the top of this. So to mark this odd hole, I'm gonna use something called a gizmo, right? And this just places right up here. You push it up, it circles around there. And I place it on the area where I've marked it, and I run through and I mark it with a pencil. We got that, and he's gonna cut that off. After we've cut it, we wanna clean it up a little bit and put a little sandpaper in it. Should look good. I'll be finishing it with a fast drying premium clear satin, also by Minwax. We'll give it that nice satin finish, kind of still have a rustic look. I don't want it too shiny, have that original look of an icebox. Okay, now that I've got the Minwax polyurethane, it takes some time to dry, about 4 to 6 hours to be actually dry enough to kind of move things around and such. But it takes another 24 hours to as long as 48 hours to fully dry, and then 30 days to cure. So it won't reach its potential until about 30 days.
With it all complete, it makes a perfect accessory for the porch on my cabin, and I've even got a built-in cooler. Hey, if you like do-it-yourself videos, home improvement, and off-grid, please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.